everyone. Today I'm going to talk about mole and atomic mass. Atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. Each element is defined by the atomic number. The periodic table of elements is arranged by increasing the atomic number of the element. What is mass number? Mass number is you add the proton and neutron together. Mass number must be whole number. And the number is close to the atomic mass. Isotope. What is isotope? Isotope is atom, identical atom with the same number of atomic number but different number of mass number. Well, isotope will be the same number of proton and different number of neutron. Okay, just mark that. There's an example like a hydrogen has two isotopes, deuterium and tritium. While hydrogen has one proton and no neutron, and deuterium has one proton and one neutron, is an isotope of hydrogen. Tritium, which has one proton and two neutrons, is also a isotope of hydrogen. They share the same number of atomic number but different mass number. What is atomic mass? Atomic mass is the mass of the atom. And generally, atomic mass refers to the mass of a single atom or molecule. Okay. Often, atomic mass refers to the average atomic mass of all the isotopes and the atom. Okay, the element. You can also call it atomic weight. It's the same thing. Atomic mass. Okay, atom mass is different. The atomic mass is defined by carbon 12. According to the international agreement made by IUPAC, okay, one atomic mass is defined by 1/12, the mass of a single carbon 12 atom. Because atomic mass are basically atomic mass are unitless. That means they have no unit. It just compares. Because the atomic mass given element compare, so they have no units, right? And why they are decimals? Why they are decimal? Because it just compare. I talked about before. Another because you have to consider the isotope, so you need to do the average, include the isotope. Okay. Well, like that. Like you can say the carbon 12 is maybe is 12.01. Okay. Now we can see first one. Wait a second. The number of protons in an element never varies, but the number of neutrons can vary. Okay. For example, like the carbon 12 has 6 protons, 6 neutrons. The isotope carbon 14 has 6 protons and 7 neutrons. Carbon 14 has 8 neutrons. Okay. So now carbon 14 is too less. Don't have to calculate. 99% of element is carbon 12. Only 1% are carbon 14. So it's 12 times 0.99 plus 13 times 0.01. Like that. And then you can find the answer is this. Okay? And then you can just clear it. Okay? Next page. What is mole? Mole is a unit to calculate the atom's molecules. In 1811, people named Avogadro proposed that equal volume of different gas at the same temperature and pressure contain exactly the same number of molecular or atom. And 1 more is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Scientists call the number Avogadro number, but it's not. But Avogadro just proposed this one, the sentence. He didn't count the number, but we want to honor him, so we just call it Avogadro number. So it can also call this neutral number. What is mole? In one mole, the mass is equal to atomic mass in grams. What does that mean? For example, helium's atomic mass is about 4. And that means 1 mole of helium is 4 grams. Okay? And 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules. And zinc has atomic mass about 65, so it is 65 grams in 1 mole, or you can say per mole, and the same number of molecules. So you can say that 65 grams per mole. Okay, what is molar mass? Molar mass is you add maybe compound or molecule and just add all the atomic mass together. Whoa, wait a second. Wow. Ooh, scary. Okay, like this. 12 times 1 plus 16 times 2, which is equal to this one. And then you can find the answer is 44. And 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules of carbon dioxide, and 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 carbon atom, and 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 atom. Okay. Whoa, what happened? Okay. What is this? Methane. Well, methane is just 12 plus 1 times 4. But you can also say 12 times 1. Just adding. Well, it's equal to 16. Okay? And they have just the Avogadro number, the same number of molecule, and the same number of atom, but 4 times the same number of hydrogen. Because it's H4, so you need to times 4. Molar mass and molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass is the mass of 1 molecular atom. We measure it in the atomic mass unit, or you can say this AMU. Let's remove it. Another is molar mass. Molar mass is a compound or molecule in 1 mole, the total mass. We measure is gram per mole. Okay. What is AMU? AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Okay. We know that in 1 mole equals that's 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Okay, that's the number. And it's also equal to 12 AMU. So 12 grams is equal to 12 AMU times the Avogadro number. This number. So 1 AMU is equal to 1 over the Avogadro number. Okay.